Hey guys, Tanya here with a new common idiom, to get the ball rolling. Sometimes you can hear people say to set or keep or start the ball rolling.
There are 3 simple things you can do to start just to get the ball rolling with your crush.
Participants were given a list of icebreaker questions to get the ball rolling.
So to get the ball rolling means to get started, to begin something like an activity or process. For example, let's get the ball rolling on this project. At the meeting, Nancy tried to get the ball rolling by asking a few questions. Everyone was so shy at the party, so I decided to get the ball rolling and introduce myself first. If you want to become a fluent English speaker, you should develop a habit of practicing English on a regular basis. And the I Can Do English Academy helps you to get the ball rolling and keep the momentum going. If you're not a member yet, make sure to join us. That's the lesson for today, guys. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like it. Thank you so much, and I'll see you next time.